Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how you can use your WhatsApp on your desktop PC or any laptop. So what you have to do, you have to open Google, and Google you gotta search for WhatsApp web, and once you find it you click open. Then here's two options. So what you can do, you can click over here on the WhatsApp web, or you can click on download. If you click on download, then there's option you can download this app for Windows or for PC. That's a little longer process, so you can have an app like that. I have a over here in my PC, so you can open, you can read it. But the way I'm going to show you, you can do either way, but I'm going to show you how you can directly you can see on Google. Like say you on this page, click on it. Once you click on it, it will ask you open WhatsApp on your phone, tap menu or setting and select WhatsApp web. Point your phone to this screen to capture the code. So what we have to do, now we're gonna go to our phone. We have to open WhatsApp. Like I have a WhatsApp over here. Click on it. Then in the WhatsApp, there's a second option. It's called WhatsApp web desktop. I'm gonna click on it, and we're gonna read the code. That's easy. So I have already here. Let's see chat. So first, so whatever we have it, I have over here. You can see all the text messages, whatever I have it from those guys, I can read over here. That's the way you can read all the text message, or you can use your WhatsApp. Now there's another option over here. You can before you do, you can stay logged in over here. You can log out, and you can also go to your WhatsApp, and same thing in the setting. WhatsApp. And setting, same thing, WhatsApp web desktop over here. If you don't wanna, you can log out. I'm gonna click on log out from all the device, and it asks me log out. I'm gonna log out, so it's gone. So I can show you one more time how you do. You have to go to your setting. At the top there's a second option, it's called WhatsApp web desktop. You click and read the QR code, and you in. You can stay logged in, you can log out anytime you want from your cell phone or from your PC. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.